Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix iOS 26 unable to download. For example, if you got the latest update iOS 26, but as you click on a software update and you want to download it, then it says unable to download. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you can also restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to the settings. And here you have to simply click on general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply open the general, and if you find software update, and here you can simply find unable to download. Here you can simply find the option unable to download. If you still see that unable to download, then you have to simply take the screenshot of the problem, and after that you have to simply send it to the Apple support and ask for the solution of the problem. If the problem is still there, then you have to wait for some time so that a proper update can be available for you. Moreover, you can also discuss this problem in the Apple discussion forum so that they can solve the problem for you, because there are many problems which are discussed in Apple discussion forum, and they also provide you the problems solution. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.